welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. I hope everyone had a happy Thanksgiving. Listen, I have a collaboration challenge I want to issue to all the channels out there that want to join me. It is the 2019 Holiday Snack Attack Challenge. If you want to be a part of this challenge, this is what you need to do. In your title of your challenge, label it hashtag 2019 Holiday Snack Attack. That's it. Email me. I will put my email address below. Send me an email with your video link and I will put you in my playlist. I would love for you to join me. Today we are going to make one of my family's favorite snacks. This is so simple, guys. I like making this with butter crackers. It's a family favorite. I think it holds up better than saltine crackers, but you make it with whatever cracker your family enjoys. And the oil, you use whatever oil that your family wants. I use olive oil. If you're going to use olive oil, use a very light tasting olive oil. Use one that you use for dipping sauce. I wouldn't use like a heavy olive oil. I wouldn't like the flavor of that. I use extra virgin, very light extra virgin olive oil. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need 4 sleeves of crackers, which whenever you want to use. This is a butter cracker. And you're just going, I have made this in tubs, you know, the stand-up tubs. I'm just making it in a Ziploc bag right now. You literally can use whatever you've got laying around the house. And just put your crackers in the bag. All right, I'm going to set that aside. In your oil, I have 2/3 cup of oil. Okay. You're going to want 2 tablespoons of this ranch seasoning. It's also 1 package if you buy just a single package. I just happen to have this on hand. Now, the original recipe called for red pepper flakes, but being down here in Southeast Texas, or if you're in Louisiana, there's this little seasoning that I discovered once we moved down to Southeast Texas that this stuff is called Tony's. This stuff is crack. And if you can get this in your area, this just goes with everything. It don't matter. I just cooked, with the help of a friend, 4 turkeys for our church Thanksgiving. We put this all over our turkeys. I am putting about 1/4 teaspoon of Tony's. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. Just because Tony's just goes on everything. I don't know what all is in Tony's. It don't matter because it's just good. And then I'm just going to stir this up really good and get everything dissolved in the oil. Now, the recipe says you mix this up for an hour. I think it's better if you do this for a couple of days. You're going to want to pour this on here and mix this up. Just every time you walk by this bag, give it a good shaking up. Now, if you put this in one of these containers you can get at the dollar store, just turn it upside down and give it a good shake every time you think about it. Kind of get the air out of it a little bit. And you're just going to toss this around and get all these crackers good and coated. Just every time you think about it. It says at least an hour. I'm telling you, the longer you let this set, up to 2 or 3 days, the better. because you're going to want this to set on these crackers for a few days. And you're like, okay, Missy, I got this set on, now what? Well, let me tell you what you do with this. Remember this jalapeno jelly we made? And it's set beautifully, by the way. You open this thing up, you take a little bit of cream cheese, you put a little this jelly on it. Let me tell you what, your holiday parties, your potlucks, we got a women's tea coming up at church. This is what I'm taking. And it's going to be phenomenal. So this is my holiday snack attack challenge. I would love for you guys to join us. Big Channels, I know Big Bear is already committed to making a video for me. So I would love to have you guys join me. That's the best Christmas present you guys could give me. And I want to thank you guys that have said you would. Two families said they would do a video. That is an amazing Christmas present to me. And again, thank you for all your love and support. Be sure and like, subscribe, and do all the things that you do. And I wish your family the most merry and happy and blessed Christmas holidays. God bless you.